All right, good morning, good morning. Welcome aboard. Awesome. We're in the saddle. Everybody's locked and loaded, hopefully, this morning. Good morning, Marcia. God bless you. Awesome. Rue, what's happening? Got the big ODP in the house. Elnor, what's happening? Good morning. All right, here we go. We're rocking and rolling this morning. We got the AI AutoTrader in full speed here. I want to try to figure out if I want to try to play one of these strategies in a few minutes. Before I do that, let me run the government disclaimer by us real quick. So any trading signals or opportunities that I provide either orally or electronically, they're for educational and demonstrational purposes only. Me or my team take no responsibility for any trades that you may take for profit or loss. And me or my team, we're not financial advisors. If you want to make any trades, please reach out to a licensed financial advisor to get a little advice before you jump in the ring here, because this market moves super duper quick, and you can go down quite a bit of cash quickly. So make sure that you research your situation with a licensed financial advisor. It'll be really helpful. All right, good. Good morning. All right, Rory P, what's happening? Here we go. We'll see what the market's going to do today. It might be a little bit of a slow climb here today. Not looking forward to a lot of chop here as the market just got going. I've been watching it the last little bit. Not looking like a favorable market to jump in yet. Scott, what's happening? Good morning. Good to see you again. Welcome back. Awesome. All right. So we got a couple of strategies starting to work on the leaderboard here. So I'm starting to get my eye open on which ones are going to come out of the gate here. Looks like we've got the Steven. Let's check out the 8U Steven. See what kind of trades it's jumping in here. It caught a little short trade there. It looked like about a break even. We'll see. Let this old leaderboard jockey out here. Just getting started. Bell just rang a few minutes ago. Looks like this one got one trade under its belt so far. And it jumped in long here. Okay, that one got zonked. Keeping my eye on this one. It ran up about $5,300 yesterday. This one pushed around the record. It was beating the record for a while. Hey, George, good morning. So yeah, I run all 50K accounts. I used to try the 100Ks, but you can go a lot faster with the 50s. What I mean by that is the risk to rewards a lot better. You can, on these accounts right here, they're the 50K accounts, as you mentioned. Sort of the rules behind these is the drawdown and the profit target. So you got to get 3,000 in profit or 25 in loss. You probably know that. But kind of doing that calculation on risk to reward, that ratio is really good for the 50K. It's the best out of any that they offer. So if you kind of just go by the math, that's kind of what I'm using, why I'm using them. Got the YM ODP coming up the leaderboard here. It's in a nice trade, up $1,200. I've got a signal D up there. Here we go. Steven dropped in, going short. See if we can catch some follow through on a couple trades. If we do, we'll put a couple of them to work here. Kind of like to watch the bots and kind of see how they get started and see if we can catch one that's running like a rabbit. And then we jump on them. That one's hitting pretty good right now.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, you guys out there doing some trading today? Let me know in the chat there. I'd love to hear if you're making any money, losing any money, you know. What kind of action you got going on out there? Yeah, we're in a no trade zone here today on the NQ. Steer clear for now. You get chopped up here in this little chop fest going on here. Got the red flags up, baby. Steer clear. Got the star drone on the move. Boy, I talked that thing almost off the ledge. This thing was on a roll. Ran my mouth yesterday in a video, and it took a nosedive. But we'll try to ignore it and see if it'll come back for us. That thing's had a heck of a run since I've had it. Robert, thanks again if you're out there, Robert. Thank you for dropping this in the Discord. Appreciate it. It's been a roller. I was trading it on my live account.
Order filled.
I'll show you guys my stash that I got last night. Look at this stash.
Order submitted.
Ooh. How about that, Big Daddy?
Order filled.
Burn through a few of these today, huh? Let's do that. Let's see if we can't get some of those up in game time. Oh, payday. I wanted to call it the new business payday funding, but people said it was too risque.
Order filled.
Too risque to play. I like getting payday.
Order submitted.
I was trading my live account for a while and really laid off the... All right, Robert. Woo! Awesome. Thank you.
Order filled.
Robert's in the house. I laid off the Apex accounts for a little while there. They were changing the rules on us, and still not happy with all the darn things they you know, man, geez, I watch other people's videos to try to figure out what the rules are, and man, I was watching a guy's video last night trying to figure out the rules to make sure I don't, you know, violate any of them, and man, I left more confused out of that video than I was going into it. The only thing I thought I remembered was that you can only risk $750 per trade. So I think if I'm going to stay away from that, I'll be in good shape. The bots that I run here typically are about 300 to 500 per trade. So that's kind of the backbone behind each strategy, is typically around a risk of about two to I think. Before I say that, the CS Star has a risk on a trade of 1250. I think. Robert, you're out there. Is it 1250? It might even be more than that. It might be 1750. I should know this. There's 100 ticks at 12. Yeah, 1250. It's 100 ticks on the ES, and they're 1250 a tick. So it's $1,250 for one trade there. Gives a lot of room to breathe, though, and I tell you, it's been a beauty. Directionally, this thing's like putting a hot air balloon out, you know, and letting the wind just take it that way. That's what that strategy does right there, baby. Woo! You've been hot. Okay, YMODP pulled out the rabbit. Pulled the rabbit out of the hat on the Dow today here. Got the ODP in the HOUSE.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah, Rue, we're not in a good market yet. We're starting to break free here. It looks like though. That was a nice move to the upside. Good move. So I think we're getting loosened up a little bit here. It looks like.
Order filled. Order submit. Order filled. Order submitted.
There we go. We got some orders coming here. Now we're coming in hot.
Order filled. Order filled.
Looks like this might be the strategy to trade today. Go ahead and dial it up next run.
Order filled. Order submitted.
So I'll run around
Order filled.
4 accounts here. See if we can get one to jump on out in the gate for us here. What I did is I saw this strategy right here kind of coming up my leaderboard today. Watching it right here on the chart. Put her over here in the leader account on the
Order filled.
trade copier. Try to run her down here to these 4 accounts here, which are over here: 310, 311, 312, 313. See if we can get a decent trade coming off this one. Right around the 850. NQ running 20,850. Had a big dive last night. Got down to 690 last night. So we got a lot of room to the downside here. A lot of room to the downside. Gonna be a pump and dump at 10 o'clock. Pump and dump at 10 o'clock. Here it comes. Everybody going home for the weekend. Big weekend. Black Friday's coming up.
Order filled. Order filled.
NQ looking like trouble here today, folks. NQ not the way we like to see it. Yesterday it was a Lamborghini. I was holding on for dear life. Had 20 accounts rolling. I mean, I was rolling. Had 20 of them working big time. Man, it was cranking here. We're not in that same market today. Totally different. This one's trouble. Good continuation of the upside, though.
Order filled.
Little pullback.
Order filled.
All right, Robert's in. He's got the star. He's in there long right here. He's in on this trade. Way to go, Robert. Got to get it set up on my live account. I've been sleeping this morning. it's a lot of work keeping all these rolling, and my live account. That was a lot yesterday. I gave up on my live account, pushed pause, and started focusing on these down here on this computer. I was cranking. It was I was running this version of the ABC drone yesterday. Oh my goodness, that thing cranked off big time, about $6,000. It was up $6,000, over $6,000. Rory was showing him. I said, man, this thing is off the hook today. Go look at that trade performance from yesterday. That was, whew, what a run for that strategy. My goodness. Two of them yesterday, the runner and the ABC drone. Just lit it up.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, here we go. We got the fallout. A lot of room to the downside here. Wish we were participating in this bad boy. Woo! Darn it.
Order filled.
Whew. That was a lot of orders there, boy. Someone dumping. That was the old pump and dump right there, big time. Ouch! That one took some prisoners on that one. Shoot. Anybody who's been buying since 9:30 going long just got crushed. Whew. Stiff pullback there. That was almost a 90-point pullback. Here we go. Coming in hot, going down.
Order submitted.
Old signal D.
Order filled.
Got her first target out of the way there. Coming back on us. Trying to hold 800. It's holding.
Order
We're out.
filled.
Little nug.
Order submitted.
Little weakness. Got a flutter. One more little scalp right there. Another little nug.
Order submitted.
Signal D. Working 790 here. Trying to hold 800. Nice job, Marcia. $930. Way to go. Roo! Congratulations. Got $1,000 in the pocket. The 1 minute chart, baby. You don't mess around. Coming back on us. Another little nug. Where'd it go? Here we go.
Order submitted.
Oh boy, here comes the scalper. Old BC scalper coming. We're going to have to jump on it. That's a big dog. That one will go crazy. Old scalper. Let me show this bad boy I was running yesterday. This thing was cranking.
Order filled.
Hard to really see with all these numbers here. Sorry, that's a little bit hard to see. But basically, this is the trade performance for this strategy I was using yesterday to trade these accounts. I was using this ABC drone, and man, it started cranking. So it started out of the gate. Right here is each trade. So the first trade in the morning at let's see, yesterday at 9:31. I entered a trade and it took a loser. So anyway, the profit per trade is right here, and then each profit gets added together in this cumulative. So I took 2 losers in a row. It's 330. Took a winner. Now it's adding back in. Took a loser. Anyway, this thing rolled up. So I was 2,000, 3,000, hit 4,000.
Order submitted.
hit a 5,000, hit a 6,000. So I don't know where the high water mark is. This is the first time I'm looking. So the high water mark yesterday for this strategy was 6,200. Woo-wee! That thing rolled up 6,200 yesterday. Holy moly. Here we go. We caught signal D going long this time. I'll show a couple of trades here with a sim account next to a live account. Show you how we enter about the same place. Uh-oh.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order
Getting jerked around a little bit here on the NQ. Got signal D running in overdrive here.
filled.
Over on the left is a sim account that I'm using to trade on my live accounts.
Order submitted.
Over here we entered at 20,814 point something. Let's see if I can get her in there without that cross being over the top of the number. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to see it like that. Over here we entered at same cross, same problem. Can't see where we entered at. No idea. We're running a good looking trade here though. Come on, baby. Punch the ticket for us one time this morning. Here we go. Come on, baby. Pump, pump, pump it up. Sim on the left, live on the right. Using sim over here in my trade copier. Handing it off to these PA accounts over here. Right here you can see the P&L in this little dashboard as well. And over here in this dashboard. And then over here, you'll see it over here in this little window over here. The number just kind of flutters as price changes here. We're trying to get up there to the little blue target. Just a little blue one at 851.75 on the ticker here. Big trade coming in hot.
Order submitted.
Pump, pump, pump it up.
Order filled. Order
Nice kiss right there, folks. Boom, shakalaka. Let's put that one to sleep. That was pretty awesome how I got filled on the PA accounts, but they didn't get filled with the sim here, huh? How about that? Sheesh. Glad it was this way and not the other way around. Everybody be all yanked up here. Boy, look at that thing. Came right to the target. Just ran out of contracts here, folks. That's the way it goes running the NQ.
order
You never know if you get filled. It's just one of those things. There's got to be enough buyers and sellers at the table. The pit boss cannot figure out what to do. Great trade right there. Woo! All right, Marcia. There you go.
Order filled.
Find out which horse is leading the race over here and jump on it.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Call it market intelligence. Whatever one's running up the leaderboard, jump on it. It means the market is matching the strategy.
Order submitted.
They found that harmonious position.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Running signal D here. 8U. Loaded the chamber. 4 more. Just past 10 o'clock. Let's check out the market, see what all's happening out here in the world. Here we are. This is the contract we're all fighting for back here, the E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures. All pushing for this December 2024 contract.
Filled.
Right now, that's the one we're on. Boom, baby. Shakalaka, here we go.
Order submitted.
Like everything else is green.
Order filled.
NVIDIA having a little bit of a pullback. We're running 144.
Order filled.
S&P up 0.2%.
Order submitted.
I'm going to reset this guy just so it doesn't go out on me. You do that every now and then if they get towards their profit target.
Order submitted.
You just have to reset them.
Order filled.
Caught a weakness.
Filled. Order submitted.
All right, congratulations, Rue. Another 750. One contract. All right.
Submitted.
You're letting it roll that time. That's old school, Rue. Okay, here we go. Jumped in a trade, got a short,
order,
got our one little nugget,
order,
first target. Quick little scalp there.
order filled,
Got a lot of support right here. We'll see if it can push through this one or if it'll hold this time again. It rebounded from here a couple times already. This will be the triple bottom. Triple bottom, here it is. They talk about the triple bottom all the time. Here it is, folks. Triple bottom. We're going to the moon.
order submitted, order filled, order filled, order submitted, order filled,
Take a look at that last trade, see where we entered at, how the entry shook out. That one was quite a bit different. That one was about 6 ticks. 9.75. So that'd be 4. Yes, 6 ticks. Difference in that entry right there. So that was a big one. 6 ticks different on that one. I think the most I've seen is probably 8, maybe 10 of slippage.
order submitted,
And we jumped in there. Sim jumped at 814.25, and live here jumped in at 814.75. So a couple of ticks there.
order filled, order
We got caught again there.
order
It's relentless, though. Give her one more run.
order filled,
Quadruple bottom.
filled,
Can the quadruple bottom hold up? We'll see if it's big money bottom here. Oh, big money bottom. Everybody getting played right here today on the NQ.
filled, order filled, order
Playing like a bunch of chumps here.
order submitted,
Wow, how about that move? Woo! Got slapped.
order submitted,
Here we go, trying to go short here. Let's get this ticket punched one time. Come on, pop through there. Man, this is cold. Cold, I say, it's cold. Bzzz. Come on, set that drag, baby. Let that thing run out. Come out hot. Come out hot. Oh. Oh, baby. Slip down. Here we go.
filled,
Man, it's tough. It's tough out here. Got a fire alarm in the condo. Fire alarm inspection week. So let me mute her for a second here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, I'm back. Wow, what happened there? Woo, caught a nugget, huh? Nice one. Great. Way to go, team. That's what I'm talking about. We got a huge lag going on right now, though, so I've got it on both computers. It tells me that there's either my internet's possibly a little bit laggy right now, or the orders are coming in hot. Something's going on here. Let's see. Let's see what's happening. Okay. Go out and check out YouTube real quick.
Order filled.
Okay, there we go. Now we're pumping. Okay, looks like we're good. Okay, looks like we're good. Okay. All right, perfect. We'll trying to get the lag out of the system here. We'll see if it can work itself out. Sometimes it does. Sometimes I disable the strategies and let them catch up. Like I said, I got both computers in the red right now, so that's telling me it might be something else.
Order submitted.
Okay, we're running the NQ here, right line trading, AI auto trader, full speed ahead. Got a couple accounts over here in the right. We're running them down here with the trade cap here. I've got the leader account right here, number NQ8U signal D right here, this guy. This is the account we're running right here. It's then passing off the trade to these 4 prop accounts. We jumped in, trying to go short here. You're looking at the same trade, two different accounts. One account over here and this account over here. Trying to hold the 770 mark up there. 770 is tough. 770 is a tough one. Oh boy. Shoot. Oh boy, that was tough, huh? Holy moly, that was a toughie. Good nugget, good nugget. Woo!
Order filled.
Woo! That one was a yikey.
Submitted.
That was beauty. Running in those four counts right there right now. This strategy that we have built right here, we're running this account. We're running it over here in our leader, passing it off to these four. These four are over here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Trying to go long. Holding the 770.
Order filled.
Oh, wow, that was close. Oh, jump through 80. Woo! Woo! Here we go. Another little scalp. See if we can turn her into a runner here. Nope. Fluttered back hard on us there. A little bit of a liquidity grab. Gonna run at her one more time. Hard to break away from 70 here.
Order submitted.
It's like glue.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Pushing up nicely. See if we can hold on to 20,800 up here.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
I was going to try to take them all out at 1,000 there, and I missed it. I was a little short.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Uh-oh.
Order submitted.
We got to find a home here.
Order.
Okay, punch the ticket. One more. Here we go. Let's now roll. Let's roll one time. Roll over on it. Roll over on 770. Ah, 770 is tough.
Order filled.
This strategy is relentless around the 50. Around the 50, it's relentless. Oh, signal D. I think we're going to rip to the downside here is my guess. Once it clears 70, it's going to go quick, I think.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, it punched another ticket long.
Order filled.
We're working it. We're working the chop here.
Order.
Whew. Holy moly. Let's punch the ticket one time, like I said. Oh, baby. Come on. Run it now. We'll close up shop if we catch it down here at the...
Order filled.
Darn it.
Order.
Man, this is ruthless. I'll push pause here after this one.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Can't hardly trade this one. Let's shut this thing off. Ouch.
Order filled.
Okay, NQ hung up here.
Order filled.
I'll sit on the sidelines for this one.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Here we go. Here's a rip to the downside. There it is. This is a 1, 2, 3 quadruple bottom. Quadruple bottom. Here it goes. Here we go. Going short.
Order filled.
Woo! Not so fast. Oh boy. All right, time to jump back in. She's back hot again.
Order filled.
Caught back up to 770. Wasn't going to let it out of its sight too far.
Order filled.
Okay, here we go. We're locked and loaded again. We got the GC ODP working here. It's coming up the leaderboard. It goes quick. It's 10 contracts here. 10 contracts on the gold market. Had the YM ODP crank it up earlier.
Order
Woo! Here we go. Hot market coming up. $420 Friday. We're running 420 here Friday, RLT all day long.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
GC, ODP on the move.
Order submitted.
We're in on the right. We're going long too. Everybody's going long right now. Here we go. Good push to the upside. ODP on the left. Gold ODP. Took that entry right here on the gold. 1022. Signal A. 10 contracts. Running them hot. Way up there, baby.
Order filled.
Okay, we got a little nug. Another little nug. 10 contracts, running them hot on the left over here. $2,000 bill coming back on them. OGC.
Order filled.
We can go into the indicators here and clear out that bias just so it doesn't show here. Make it a little more visually aesthetic here. It's still working in the background. All the indicators are alive and well back there. It's just for viewing pleasure only.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Rue, we're long. GC. Take a quick look at the leaderboard over here. So we got the YM, lead dog, followed by the one we're trading here with our PA accounts.
Order submitted.
GC that we're watching right here, running up $2,500 bill. Here we go. Come on, baby. One day, one time, one trade to pass, one trade to pass. The 1 day pass right here, live action. There's the Apex accounts we're trading.
Order submitted.
Another one coming up my leaderboard, a 60 range. One I'm testing, trying to figure out if we can make another strategy. Got those there that we're working.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Very few on the NQ today. Unusually empty for the NQ.
Order filled.
Not a good day to trade on the big board.
Order submitted.
We couldn't resist this one.
Order filled.
We got trapped.
Submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
There was the big flush out right there on the NQ. The big one. You're watching the AI Auto Trader here. We're going in short on the right. Ah! Might have got trapped again.
Order filled.
Yippers.
Filled.
Alright, now we're battling. We got to catch a runner now. We built these strategies with 3-to-1 risk to reward intentionally for this. Hoping we catch a big runner. The GC is in between right here, kind of hanging out, trying to figure out which direction to go in.
Order filled.
We just got sucker punched there.
Order filled. Order submitted.
See if we can run out on the continuation here. No, baby, we just got smoked. Oh boy. They were buying and they shut off the switch there on us.
Order filled.
Okay, GC pedaled out there. Candle pattern, took it out. $1,200 bill.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Take a look at the NQ big board here, see what's happening. Not a lot of movement for us on the NQ today.
Filled.
Not a great day to trade it. Yesterday was a different story.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Hard to catch a follow through on a trade today. We got to work all the way through the 750 here. That's a tall order. Tall order with all those buyers there.
Order
Tall order for the home team here.
Order filled.
Oh,
Order
boo.
submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Glad we got that little nugget out of the way. Woo! This one's trouble right around 750 here.
Order submitted.
Gonna beat bop around 750 for a minute, it looks like here.
Order submitted.
Okay, got another little nug. See if we can move away from price here at 750.
Order submitted.
We're going to need a beauty here. Not enough continuation here in the market. Really soft.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
There's the push to the upside on us.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going to go ahead and jump on this one here. This one's the NQ scalper. The BC scalper. This thing's super hot. Let's get on this one real quick. NQ BC scalper. So I can just take it out of the trade here. And the next one that it jumps in, we'll get in with it.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, we're off. Well, we got the BC scalper here running in overdrive.
Order filled.
We got the naked runner running. Here we go. Come on, push through the 800s one time for us. One time, one time.
Order filled.
Got the big board.
Submitted. Order filled.
Got the naked runner.
Order submitted.
Coming back 50 ticks behind price. 50 ticks behind price. $250 bill.
Order submitted.
Softening up here.
Filled.
Pushing up nicely through the 800s. Another little pullback. We're holding back here 50 ticks. $250 bill. Give back.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh, baby. Can you say, how about right on time? That was right on time right there. Push away one time now. coming back on us, working up 815 here. Sucking up the 820s, coming back.
Order submitted.
50 tick trailer here.
Order filled.
All right, nice run. We got a nice little nug back on those 4.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Running the BC scalper here. BC scalper. Oh, Steve scalper. Steve, if you're out there, Steve, thank you.
Order submitted.
Another valued member of our community, Steve. Steve C dropped in this to the Discord. Oh, Steve scalper. Running up the score here. Come on, baby. Run away with it one time, one time. Oh, Steve scalper. What? 5 grand yesterday, Suzanne? That's what I'm talking about. I had 2 hit over 5 grand yesterday, too. Man, yesterday was awesome. I was so glad I had 20 accounts. I had 20 eval accounts. Just kind of bought them. And, man, rolled them all up to $3,000. I did some of them live here the day before on Wednesday. I think it was Wednesday. Anyways, the day before or two, I did some of them live, but man, rolled them all up yesterday. But good job. Congratulations. 5 grand. Wow. That a ton of cash flow. Woo! These strategies are hot.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Jumped in again, going long. Got our first target. Holding the $100 bill here, coming back on us. Little weakness here. 830 is a hard number to get away from too. We got the even numbers. 800, 830, 850, 870. They're all sticky. Price wants to come back to them. Here we go, running up on the BC scalper here today.
Order filled.
Old naked runner here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Woohoo! All right, got 4 more over the hump there. I'm doing 4 at a time today. I have 20 brand new PA accounts. Doing 4 at a time. I thought I would do 5 sets of 4. 5 sets of 4 here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Got the BC scalper armed and ready to roll. Running 318, 319, 320, 321 now. BC scalper. BC scalper. BC scalper. Come on, baby.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Can't run it if I don't enable it.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Jumped in, going long.
Order submitted.
Good little order block there. Woo! Here we go. Run them out. Come on, baby.
Order filled.
Wow, look at the resistance we're about to go into right here. Woo! That's a lot of shelves. A lot of shelves here we're trying to go up against.
Order filled.
Got a nug.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Take a look at the scoreboard today. Having a lucky day so far. We'll see how this one goes. Come here. What's going on?
Order filled. Order submitted.
Uh-oh. About to get hit on this one.
Order filled.
Okay, we got a couple of blemishes now on the record. Got to dig out.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, we're in trouble if we can't make this one come up to the target, though. This one we get in a little bit of a trouble here if we can't. If we miss 2 or 3 in a row with this big one. This one's a $500 loser when you lose it. Right off the bat, if it doesn't go in your direction at all, it's a steep one. So that's something to consider when you trade this one.
Order filled.
This BC scalper, it's a big swing off the bat. Let's just go ahead and sneak this little guy up just a little touch here. Not quite give it enough to give us a loser.
Order filled.
Susan, I'll have to check in a second. I see the question there, the velocity filter. I'm pretty sure I probably do. I tried to, use this as the R&D machine to figure out better settings, so I'm trying to use it. We'll check it out. I probably have it at least at 60 for the 2 minute, but it's probably at 80, I guess. But we'll take a quick peek here in a minute.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
What a week, Roo! Woo! Congratulations. 14,000 big dogs. Here we go, pushing up a little bit here. Run up some. Nice, nice, nice. Good order block. That was a good one.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, that brought us back almost even on those.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh boy. That's a tall order right there. A lot of resistance we just went into on this guy. Man, oh man. Woo, we in trouble here. Man. Chances of making this trade are slim.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh, should have closed it.
Order filled.
Oh, man. Damn it. What a bummer. I should have closed that trade. Darn it. Let me check that real quick, Suzanne. As soon as these things get out of here, if this trade doesn't start before then. Come on. Come on. Go away. Go away. These damn things don't go away very fast. Okay. Let's take a look at the scalper. So yeah, on the scalper right now, I have the velocity filter set at 80 for the 2 minute. I don't know if it's totally working though. I've got to take a closer look because those candles don't look like 80. Let's take a look. Let me see. We'll go get the 2 minute chart real quick and measure them. Okay, we jumped in the trade. Let me wait for this trade to get over here. A lot of weakness we jumped into here. So rough looking trade here. Got the 50 and the 15 both struggling. Right there, right on top of each other. The 50 is this solid one, this thicker one. The 15 is the dashed one. The system saw a relative strength there and jumped in long for us, but all indications are it's time to go south. Woo.
Submitted.
Wow, that was tough.
Order
Woo.
submitted.
That was tough move right there, boy. That was whiplash for your blankety blank right there. Woo. All right, let's go back to the leaderboard. See what's doing good here. Got a few more minutes. Just about to close out. We got just one more trade under us maybe here. Looks like that signal D that we were trading earlier is still up here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Hard to make money in that little move right there. Woo. All right, we've got a great weekend here. Big weekend coming up, Black Friday weekend. Not this one, next one, right? Next weekend, yeah. Pre-Black Friday weekend coming up. Always something.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, the NQ will smoke you right now if you let it here. Had a couple of good moves. There's a beauty. Right there was a beauty move. Couple of them. Continuation. Other than that, we were struggling. One really nice one there. We got the Star Drone. It's that $600 bill. Caught the YMODP earlier. And a little bit of the GC. $1,100 bill. Here we go. Got the NQ winding down here.
Order filled.
All these lines up here, these red lines, are all support lines. You know, some volume zones had some price rejections in the past. We call them pivot lines. It draws them anytime it sees price push back away. So we're coming right up on the spot where a lot of action's rejected here before. A lot of price rejections coming up. Trading's a patience game, folks. Everybody, appreciate you joining here at Right Line Trading. Really, truly do appreciate you and all the people around you. Really hope you have a great weekend. Want to share Discord. We'll have a couple of new strategies coming in this weekend. Not new, but new settings. So we'll be dropping those in this afternoon for you. Wanted to share a couple things here. So the we've got a couple new training videos. Charles was able to drop a few of those onboarding sessions into the the trading video area. And if you later today want to drop into the software updates channel, I will drop the new updated spreadsheet settings right there at the bottom for you. So they're not there now, but they will be by the end of the day. The spreadsheet with the new settings here, where we had some roll up some big time cash yesterday. I want to share those settings with you and have you have those accessible too, and run up the score as well. So let's take a look at the big board today, see how we did, and close this session out here today. Had a good day. Took four hits, but we made 8 of them. So we got about not quite $8,000. Well, maybe it is. You know what I did? I saw where we can do a summary. There's a summary somewhere. More options. I think there's a summary. Here we go. Yeah, so we netted out $2,300. Okay. So we made 8 accounts up there, about $1,000 range today. So it was an awesome day. We'll keep chipping away, see if we can't climb these other 4 back into the good graces, but we'll see. Everybody, hope you have a great weekend, and thanks a lot for joining us at Right Line Trading. Appreciate it. Bye now.